In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to build your iOS app and prepare it for distribution via the Apple App Store. First, navigate to the Distribution section in the Publishing tab of the AppSpotter platform. This section is where you'll manage the build and release process of your iOS app. Once inside the Distribution section, click the large App Store button. This will begin the process of preparing your iOS app for distribution on the Apple App Store. Now, you'll need to select an app icon. The image you choose should be at least 1024 to 1024 pixels in size. This icon will represent your app on the App Store, so ensure it is high quality and aligns with your brand. Next, you can either update the version numbers or use the default settings. The version number helps track updates and changes to your app. Once everything is set up, click the Request Build button. Your app will begin compiling, which typically takes around 6 to 8 minutes. During this time, the app's code, assets, and configuration settings are being combined into an iOS package file. When the build is finished, you will be prompted to download the iOS App Store package file. This file is crucial for uploading your app to the Apple App Store. Click the Download button to save the IPA file to your computer. You'll need this in the next step when we upload the file to App Store Connect. Congratulations! You've successfully built your iOS app. In the next video, we'll show you how to upload the IPA file to App Store Connect and prepare it for release.